Hello everybody, thank you for being here. In this video you see me painting a further little flower only with a few brush strokes. If you would like to try it by your own, I invite you to join my next live video, which is a real little free online class for you. Every information about this in the end of the video, but now first enjoy watching this new video and have fun. See you later.
Feel the wind as it brushes right over my cheek. See the haze as it covers my eyes. Feel my body's intention no mind can destroy as it rises and leaves me numb. Feel it all coming down. Feel it all coming down as I stand in the wet and I'm lost on the ground. I know I am safe and sound as I catch myself dreaming your eyes in my mind. I know I am safe and sound. Feel my body's intentions and no mind can destroy as it rises and leaves me numb. Feel the wind as it's blowing.
Hello and thank you for watching. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and subscribe and let me know your opinion in the comments. I read everything and take also a look to my other videos. Yes, and let me know what you think for more videos in the future here in YouTube. So, thank you again and take care of you. Stay colorful. Bye bye.
I'm safe and sound as I catch myself